Yo YouTube, what's going on? Brand new video here, this time from Concept Collectivr. Let's get this unboxed and show you guys what we got inside. Alright guys, as you can see, 6 of the heavy, loose fit, wash tees, as well as one of the sling bags. Let's get these all unboxed. I want to show you guys what these look like on body. Alright guys, so to start off, I want to show you an up-close look at the washed gray. Now, if you go on their website, you can choose these shirts in packs, okay? So again, 230 GSM, heavyweight fabric. They are a loose fit, so if you are someone that wants to wear something a little bit looser, you could probably go true to size. I went with a large. This is how it looks like on my body. 162-ish pounds, 5'9", 5'10", on a good day. And you guys can see kind of how it looks. Very boxy fit, which I do appreciate. I think, you know, if you guys want something a bit slimmer, you can do that. But I do like that it kind of gives you that almost cropped cut right near the waist. So I wouldn't have gone a different size. If you want to get a little slimmer, I could have gone with a medium. Because again, it does fit a little bit loose, but this is a very nice heavyweight tee. I love this color. This washed look and washed effect is very, very nice. All right, y'all. Next is the washed army green. This is a very, very beautiful color. I don't even know if it's really picking up on the camera. Again, really nice, beautiful washed kind of effect on the material. It's very, very nice. It sits again on the waist, slightly cropped. In terms of the fabric itself, it feels very soft. I was a little bit skeptical when I first saw the website, but it is true. Very kind of premium feel. If you like that, like boxy, washed, kind of vintage look, but on something new. And then again, the fabric is 230 GSM. Very nice in terms of the weight. Really like this color. I don't even know if it's showing nicely on the screen, but I might even like this one better than the gray. Really, really nice t-shirt and sits really well on your body. All right, y'all, I want to give you guys a look at the washed brown. The only thing I'm going to say here is that it doesn't look as brown as you would expect. It definitely has more like kind of coral, pinky, purpley kind of vibes in there, which, to be honest, I do prefer. I think it's a little bit more wearable that way. I really like this color. It looks really, really nice. Again, same as the other ones, boxy kind of fit, slightly cropped, not crazy. Again, my stats, 165, 5'9", 5'10". So this is kind of how it sits. Looks really, really nice on body. That's kind of what the brown looks like. All right, y'all, here's a look at the washed beige. Again, really nice kind of color. I think this one fits really nicely for kind of summer wear. You can't see the washed as well on this shirt. I really only noticed it at the seams, which is nice. It kind of gives you a bit more of a variety. You don't always want to wear like super, super washed clothes. But again, the beige doesn't take the wash as well because obviously it has like more like white tones, and then the wash color obviously gives that kind of white effect. So it's very subtle, but you do see it on the seams. I like this color a lot. It pairs really well and easy to wear. All right, y'all, next is the wash black, and I know I'm being super basic, but like I wear a lot of black. It's the easiest color to wear for me. I think it looks the best on my skin tone, and this color is my favorite of the entire pack. I think if you guys are going to get one of the big packs, or you want to just like experiment on 1 or 2 tees, I would definitely throw the black in there. I think it looks super, super clean. If you're into that wash look, it's the most apparent, I think, on the black for obvious reasons because of that like very white kind of washed effect it gives. But you guys can see a close up there. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Very, 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 very nice tee. I love the weight of these tees. I love how they sit on body. So definitely one I would pick up if you guys are thinking of grabbing a few of these. All right, and lastly for the tees, it's the washed blue. You guys can see the color there on screen. It's very, very vibrant. I like this color a lot. I love wearing blue. It's probably my second favorite color to wear after black. And the wash effect, again, because it's a darker color, really comes in on the fabric, and you can definitely see it just kind of where the seams kind of meet on the shirt, and then obviously throughout the shirt as well. It's nice. It's very subtle. I love the color. I think it took really, really well on the washed effect, and then you gotta get that really, really vibrant washed effect on the collar as well. It's the most apparent there. So can't guarantee all the shirts are gonna look exactly the same because obviously this is a machine kind of process, but this is kind of gives you a good idea. This is definitely a banger. All right, y'all, and lastly, we have this very, very dope little pouch. It kind of gives you an idea of what the material is. It's definitely more of like a mesh on the front. You have an opening there, and then again, inside, you have a separate kind of place you can put your wallet or your keys or whatever, your cell phone. I'd put my cell phone in the front probably, and then you could throw like, this thing's fairly spacious, so I would throw like sunscreen, keys, wallet, whatever else, phone in the front, even some like dollar bills or whatever, and then in the back, you know, you have this like kind of like this waffle, like breathable waffle material, and then this kind of short strap that you can rock like just over your head, just the way I have it in the video. This is a very, very clean, very simple, basic. I think if you guys like want something easy that you're not gonna spend like a ton of money on, this is a really good option, especially for summer. Obviously these packs have been, you know, trending for many years now, but it's really, you know, they've popped off for a while, right? And they look really good, especially this one's just simple black, goes with anything. Alright, y'all, so there we have it. Big shout outs to Concept Collectivr. You got the blue, the washed black, the beige, that brown, the olive army green, and then that beautiful gray. Looking at all of them, man, I really do think, I think that gray might be, yeah, it's gotta be that gray. Oh man, these are tough. Definitely the black. I put the black, the gray, the brown. If you guys just need to choose a few, you can choose some of the basics, but if you're doing this and doing the whole kind of pack, you can get all 6 at once. I think they also have a 5-pack as well, and then this cool little pouch. Guys, definitely check them out. I got the link in the bio down below. Really great prices, really nice fabric, heavyweight, beautiful for summer. Definitely check them out. Guys, appreciate you watching. Dude, he's signing out. Peace.